It's blender time! Or something. Hey YouTube, hope everybody's good this week. This is Al Newberry, and I'm standing here. I just got off of work. The Cincinnati skyline's behind me, because we have a beautiful view of the city from where I work. I've still got my work shirt sitting here. But anyway, this week's vlog could be a little bit short, because I was a sucker and I agreed to work an extra night, so I've only got one day off. But today is going to be all about shopping for a blender time. But anyway, again, if you have ideas for the channel, please comment and let me know what you'd like to see. I'm going to work on an intro. It may or may not be on this video this week, but hopefully we get there. And I'll sign off for now till the next scene. Alright, first stop and hopefully last stop, Walmart. If I don't find it here, I'm not going to be happy, because I hate Target and I don't like going there. Although I have to concede that sometimes they're good for getting small appliances like I'm looking for. So here I am in the blender aisle, and there are so many choices. Which one should I get, I wonder? So you've got the cheap ones, the little Oster, like 20 bucks. And you got your NutriBullet, which is like 100 bucks. Mid-range, which is about 50 bucks. All nice looking. The Oster, or should I get the Nutra Ninja Pro Blender? That would be sweet. I just don't know. What do you all think? Not that you'll be able to tell me. So many choices. I just don't know what to do. Alright, so I was able to make it one stop at Walmart, and I got what I needed, which will be revealed later. But here's where I gotta call out Tim Schmoyer. Man, I was fine until I watched the latest Schmovies video, and they went to UDF, and it made me want to have some. So, calling you out, Tim Schmoyer, it's all your fault. And so I have succumbed to temptation, and as of right now, one is making me a shake, which I'm really not supposed to have, being on a low-carb diet, but I'm kind of cheating today anyway. Yes, I did. It's a large mocha cappuccino shake from United Dairy Farmers. I'm a bad boy, I know. And the moment of truth has arrived. I did finally decide on a blender. I got a Black & Decker Fusion Blade 550 watt blender, only about 30 bucks. It's got this interesting little blade, shaped a little bit differently than what you might be used to, if you can see it down in there. But I have not actually fired it up yet. It has several speeds. It's a high and low. Stir, mix, crumb, chop, whip, clean. And then on the high, blend, grind, puree, liquefy, smoothie, and ice crush. And it also have a pulse, of course. Now for the moment of truth. Let's fire this baby up with some fiber. Woo! Get me moving. There we go. Let's put this lid on and fire this baby up. Woohoo! That should get me going. Oh, nothing more exciting than a new kitchen equipment. Blender's not the most exciting, but hey, man. Thanks for being on this journey with me, and I will see you next week. Glad you stopped by.